Have you ever wondered how some people are quietly making extra income from home, without needing a workshop full of tools or expensive supplies? What if I told you that you could turn simple pieces of scrap wood into beautiful items that not only look high-end, but also sell consistently online? Today I am showing you real wood projects that are proven sellers on Etsy. These are beginner-friendly, low-cost to make and high-profit. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Let us start with why small wood projects do so well on Etsy. Buyers love items that feel personal, handmade, and meaningful. Wood has natural warmth. It feels authentic. It looks real. When someone buys a wooden piece, they are not just buying decor. They are buying a story. Your craftsmanship. Your style. That is why small wooden home decor items hold strong demand year-round. Now, let us talk about specific projects that have proven selling potential. One of the best sellers is a floating wood shelf. These shelves are small enough to ship easily and can be made from scrap wood. Their clean lines make them fit modern and minimalist homes, and customers often order more than one. Keep the design simple. Smooth sanded edges, a clear matte finish, and standard sizes like 12-inch, 16-inch, and 20-inch. These are easy and quick to produce in batches. Another strong seller is a wooden phone or tablet stand. This project uses very little wood and has a very high perceived value. Customers buy these as gifts, office accessories, and bedside essentials. You can keep the design minimal and still have beautiful results. And because these stands are compact, shipping is cheap and safe. That means more profit. Next is wooden wall art. Instead of large heavy pieces, focus on small geometric patterns or stacked scrap wood panels. These are trending because they bring color, warmth, and texture to a modern interior. And each piece is unique. That makes buyers feel like they are getting something special, something no one else has. Another item that sells continuously is a coat rack or key holder with simple metal hooks. You can make these in standard sizes and offer different stain finishes. This lets your shop appeal to multiple home decor styles like farmhouse, rustic, minimal, and boho. Customers love customization options. Now let us talk pricing. A small shelf that costs $2 to $4 in material can sell for $25 to $40. A phone stand can cost $1 to $2 in wood and sell for $15 to $29. A small wood art piece that costs $3 to $5 to make often sells for $35 to $60 depending on size and style. That is how these projects make $500 to $1,000 per month with consistent production. Shipping is easier than most people think. Choose sizes that fit into small or flat boxes. Use light packaging paper to protect the surface. Offer bundle discounts if customers purchase 2 or more items. Bundles increase your average order value without extra shipping cost. Now, here is the secret that makes your project stand out in the Etsy search results. Photographs. When taking pictures, use soft natural light. Place your items near a window. Style them with neutral colored backgrounds. Add a plant or a simple ceramic piece for context. The photo should look like it belongs in a magazine. And do not worry. You do not need a fancy camera. A phone with good lighting works beautifully. Your listing should also include short but descriptive titles, clear product sizes, accurate colors, and simple care instructions. These details make customers feel trusting and confident in your shop. When customers feel safe buying, they purchase faster and more often. Wondering how to get your first sales? Start with 2 or 3 products. Do not overload your shop with everything at once. Offer a few pieces that look consistent and cohesive. When your style looks clear, customers remember you. They stay longer. And they come back. If you are ready to begin making profit from your woodworking hobby or small shop, this is your sign to start. Your skill has value. Your creativity has value. Your work deserves to be seen. If you enjoyed this guide and want more woodworking design ideas and profitable beginner projects, make sure to subscribe to Craft Catalog and turn on notifications. Your next best project might be one video away.